package. Hello. Let's go. Alright, here we go. We have received the package. Looks like everything is boxed up nicely for us. Got all the pipes in place. Oh man, great work. Great work. And here is the piece I've been very, very excited about. Let's take a look at these tips. Oh man. There it is. And of course, the blow pop. Excellent. Wonderful. Loving it. Alright. We're gonna get these guys installed very soon.
Shake your dreads. Shake your dreads. Beneath me, the ground shakes. Dread. Sound like you got beat. It's my show, but sound like you got seats. It's me that you got beat. You spin your legs, but it's going into the feet. You're made for running, so the bruise that you weak. This ain't no rivalry.
Apologize, it's a little rainy today. We've got a hurricane approaching. Honestly, it's probably just gonna be a storm by the time it gets here. But yep, making our way over to Mass Acceleration Motorsports. Gonna get in this AWE Track Edition and see if we can't get some deeper, more throaty sounds out of this exhaust, which I already love. But I think this Track Edition is gonna be dope.
I'm taking the modesty out of me. I'm sick of the quick stigmata you got of me. Thinking you gotta go faster. King of disaster, martial arts master. Before you get smacked, here go your rings back. I know you hate this. I'm still fly with my island oasis. A nice guy till you mess with my patience. I see your face, now it's time to break. Veteran punch, cigarette thunder, better when you run from me. When I don't stop, gotta get a Roblox that I do not want to see. Sucks when you get to the battle and knocks your teeth are rattling. Time to face it. Yo, I'm taking advance. This song's finna take that move is very still. You better than me. You still hang with fairy tales, but you hard. We're gonna have to discard the main character. It's time to replace him. I'm the one.
Here's how it looks, guys. We've got the downpipe already installed. Got all the way back here. Unfortunately, on Focus RS's, looks like you have to cut the pipe. So we will be cutting right about here. And then we're going to get this beautiful AWE joint installed. So, looking forward to some awesomeness, man. We're gonna get a little screen time. What do we got going on, sir? Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and the company?
I'm John Green from Mass Acceleration Motorsports. We're located in Denver, North Carolina. We do a lot of customer builds, everything from all-out race cars to, street cars, much like this one. This is a simple, exhaust system. We do full engine builds, chassis customization. Basically, the only thing we don't get into is body work and heavy fab work. We do a lot of superchargers, turbocharger kits, things like that. We obviously have a chassis dyno here. You can kind of see it in the background. We do a lot of custom tuning, everything from carburetors all the way to standalone fuel injection systems. Pretty much anything performance related, we deal with it.
Awesome.
Our background, we actually kind of started in the Mazda Speed market, which is what this platform was really based off of.
Mm-hmm.
And from there, my background was specifically on the race side, and one of our other guys, his background was more street performance. We sort of combined the two with the Mazda Speed market, and we do a lot of newer Chargers, Challengers, Camaros, Corvettes. We dabble a little in the Mustangs, but not real big in that.
Okay.
So a lot of high horsepower, 1,000+ horsepower builds going on here. And we do a lot of classic cars. There's actually one on the lift right behind us here. It's an old Coronet.
Oh yeah.
And then there's a '58 Corvette, next to that. So a little bit of everything. A lot of swaps on older vehicles, and a lot of keeping the same engine in the older vehicles, but then just modifying it to make it run a little better. And in general, it's a good place to be.
Awesome, absolutely. Well, thank you very much. Really happy to be here, and let's get this thing done.
Yeah.
Game boys. Ready up, I've been at this since day one. 64s for Commodores and it stayed fun. Mama hand me a book, but I'm the same one. The blow the dust up the cartridge and it's game on. Stage swans where enemies had an 88. It's before memory cards, CDs and save states, babies and first states. Well before there was GameBreax. Voice of gamers around the world, namesake. In past days, we would all wait for a place. Quarters on arcades, nobody taking our space. For whistle Mario, straight to the last stage. Sonic's in first place, Turtles had up to 4 players. Metro City ain't so pretty when Mad Gears be claiming they bad. Dudes talking to sticks, Zelda's the link to the past. Really, only black and white problems are stuck in the screen. To the colors release, filming you part of the team game. Boys.
Support for me, winners can play the games. And I'll put them out for me. Top 10 when you see the game. Boys, game boys. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Lift your hands.
I remember Double Dragon, one player on Vader, bump Sega. I'm a duck hunt fanatic, a gunslayer. Till the sunrise, we stayed up playing Mario 3 and being ninja gated the part of the week. Got my first Game Boy with Tetris, so impressed with the metrics. I'm playing in school under the desk quick, reminiscing on demolitions and derbies with the metal with rebels levels. I'm mashing on the pedal. Kick punches all in the mind. Just press rewind, take it back in time. I roast my friends and talk shit then and boast my wins and taking while holding the grain. Chill out, playing real bout with combos high and watch soldiers fly. 007 golden eye. If you a Game Boy prize, this is our era, bring it back alive.
Alright, here's how they look. The logo. Perfect fitment. Level. Everything I could have wanted. Now, we're gonna check out that sound. Ready when you are. Cool. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah.
Yo, I see the terror over my land. Make a stand, I gotta take a chance with this rifle up in my hand. Planets and galaxies, high vitality, our extinction is planned. Got me pushed to the limit, the light in me dimming, my enemy killing me blind. I said I see the signs, keep the time. Man, I never had a peace of mind. I saw the greed and crime, seize a crime from the beacon.